In this video, you will know how to display visitor activities as notifications. It offers three options. First, visitor counts. It shows total visits count from all pages up to last 24 hours. Second, single visits. This notification highlights recent visits to a specific page on your website, showing where your visitors are coming from and when they visited. Third, recently viewed count. If you want to show any page-specific total visit count in a specific time duration, then you can use this. We will cover all. Now let's create live visitor count notifications. Click on Add and enter the website name where you want to show the notification. Once you click Create and Customize, you'll enter the design editor, where you can modify every aspect of your notification and check the preview of how it looks on mobile and desktop screens. First, use the text editor to customize the text, icons, or colors and set the language for your notification. Next, in Click Actions, make the notification clickable so visitors can be redirected to a specific page or URL. Then adjust the position and animation to choose where the notification appears on desktop or mobile and set its animation effect. In the Style option, you can modify colors, sizes, and other design elements to match your website. Embed code is used when you want the notification to be displayed inline and not as a pop-up. Data control lets you define how many hours back to start counting visitors from their visit. You can also set a condition to hide the notification if the visitor count falls below a specific number. If you'd like to display page-specific visitor counts, simply enable the page-specific visitor count option. Once turned on, the notification will show the visitor count for each individual page. Use timing control to set when the notification appears, how long it stays, and the delay between notifications. Next, add credibility with a verification label, like Verified by WiserNotify, and link it to a verification page. Click on the template option to explore multiple designs and choose any one. Click on Save button to save the changes. Now, go to Next Step to target and display your notification. By default, notifications will appear on all pages, but if you want to target specific pages, select this URL condition option. Next, you can show the same notification on multiple websites by adding multiple sites here. For more advanced targeting, use options like visitor types, UTM sources, cookies, or referring sites. Each option includes a quick video tutorial to help with setup. Once you've set up everything, click the Publish button to turn on your notification. Then visit the page, refresh it 1 to 2 times, and wait for the notification to appear. And there you have it. This is how it looks on the site. That's it. Similarly, you can add single-page visit notification. Enter site URL and click on Create and Customize. Here, you can customize the text, change the template. Also, you can change the style if you want. Most importantly, go to Data Control, where you can select how many visits to display in the notification and set a time range to control how recent the visits shown are. Additionally, you can enable the option to display page-specific single-visit notifications on individual pages. Next, save your changes. Go to Display tab, set the targeting option. Once you've set up everything, click the Publish button to turn on your notification. Similar way, you can add recently viewed count notification, enter site URL, and click on Create and Customize. Here, you can customize the text and change the template. Also, you can change the style if you want. Most importantly, go to Data Control. You can choose how many hours or days to show recent visitors. You can hide the notification if visitors are less than your set number. Turn on Show Specific Page Visitor Count and add the exact page URL to show visits for that page. You can copy it from browser and paste it here to avoid the mistake. Next, save your changes. Go to Display tab, set the targeting option, and then go Data Source, and here add the site URL if you want to count visits from it. Once you've set up everything, click the Publish button to turn on your notification. If the notification doesn't appear, use the Troubleshoot option to identify issues. If still you need help, reach out to our live chat support team for assistance.